The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most anticipated flagship smartphones, and early leaks suggest that battery life will be a major area of improvement. According to a well-known Weibo leaker, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to feature a larger battery than any previous iPhone, reinforcing Apple's position as a leader in smartphone endurance. For many users, battery life has always been a critical factor, and Apple appears ready to push the limits once again. Citing supply chain sources, the leaker known as Digital Chat Station reported that the iPhone 18 Pro Max could come with a battery capacity between 5,100 and 5,200 mAh. To put this in perspective, this is a noticeable increase compared to the current iPhone 17 Pro Max, which has a 5,088 mAh battery, the largest Apple has offered so far. This jump in capacity, combined with the efficiency improvements of the new A20 Pro Chip, which is built using TSMC's cutting-edge 2nm process, could allow the iPhone 18 Pro Max to achieve battery life exceeding 40 hours of continuous usage. This would make it not only one of the longest-lasting iPhones ever, but also one of the most enduring smartphones across the entire industry. The A20 Pro Chip is said to deliver significant power efficiency gains, meaning that the iPhone 18 Pro Max won't just rely on a bigger battery, it will also use its energy more intelligently. Apps, games, and background processes should consume less power, which could translate to longer standby times, more hours of video playback, and extended gaming sessions without recharging. Users who heavily rely on their phones for work, entertainment, or content creation will particularly benefit from these improvements, as they could spend an entire day or more on a single charge without worrying about battery drain. To accommodate this larger battery, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to be slightly thicker than its predecessor. While some may be concerned about the added thickness, most users are likely to welcome the trade-off, given the dramatic improvement in battery life and overall device reliability. Extended battery performance means users won't have to constantly search for charging outlets or carry portable chargers, which is a huge advantage for people with busy lifestyles or frequent travelers. For context, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's current flagship, already boasts impressive battery performance. With its 5,088 mAh battery, it can last up to 39 hours on a single charge according to Apple's estimates. Independent testing has consistently ranked Apple devices among the industry leaders for battery endurance, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max has been highlighted as the longest-lasting phone tested in multiple studies. This demonstrates Apple's ongoing focus on combining high-capacity batteries with efficient processors, ensuring that users get maximum uptime without sacrificing performance. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to build on this foundation. By pairing a larger battery with the power-efficient A20 Pro Chip, users could realistically expect over 40 hours of battery life under typical usage conditions. This would further cement Apple's reputation for producing smartphones that consistently lead the market in battery performance, an area that has become increasingly important as consumers rely more on their devices for everything from streaming and gaming to professional productivity. But battery life isn't the only exciting improvement. Apple is also reportedly preparing its first foldable iPhone, which may debut alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. Early leaks suggest that this foldable iPhone could feature a massive battery exceeding 5,500 mAh, which would make it the largest battery ever in an iPhone. Not only that, it could also rival or exceed the battery capacity of competing foldable devices from other brands. This move would signal Apple's commitment to offering devices that combine innovation in design with practical usability, giving users longer usage times even in larger or more power-hungry form factors. Turning back to the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, there are several other notable upgrades and features expected in the new generation. Reports indicate that Apple may introduce a smaller dynamic island, which would refine the look of the front display and allow for more immersive screen real estate. The new C2 modem is expected to provide faster connectivity and improved network performance, which will be particularly appealing for users who rely on 5G speeds for streaming, gaming, and large downloads. The camera system is also rumored to receive significant upgrades. Apple may introduce a simplified camera control system, making it easier for users to capture professional quality photos and videos. The front-facing camera is expected to be upgraded to 24 megapixels, while the main camera may feature a variable aperture, allowing for better low-light performance and more flexibility in photography. This will continue Apple's tradition of improving camera capabilities with every new iPhone, catering to users who prioritize high-quality imaging for personal or professional use. For users who value performance and longevity, the combination of a larger battery, more efficient chip, and advanced camera system positions the iPhone 18 Pro Max as a top-tier flagship. The device is expected to excel not only in battery life, but also in day-to-day performance, multitasking, gaming, and creative applications. Early reports suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max could offer an experience that surpasses previous iPhones in nearly every aspect, from battery endurance to processing power and camera innovation. Overall, the iPhone 18 Pro Max looks set to continue Apple's tradition of pushing the boundaries in smartphone technology. With improved battery capacity, cutting-edge processing with the A20 Pro Chip, and a refined camera system, it promises to be a device that meets the needs of power users, creators, and everyday users alike. Whether you prioritize battery life, photography, or performance, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most impressive iPhones Apple has ever released. And with the potential launch of Apple's first foldable iPhone alongside it, users could see revolutionary battery technology and innovative design entering the iPhone ecosystem for the first time. The future of Apple smartphones is shaping up to be longer-lasting, faster, and more versatile than ever, giving users more freedom to use their devices all day without interruption. In short, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could redefine what users expect from smartphone battery life, while the foldable iPhone may set new standards for durability and innovation. For anyone considering a flagship iPhone in the near future, these upcoming models are shaping up to be must-watch devices, combining Apple's hallmark performance, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced usability into one premium package.